How to delete Fiverr account permanently. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to delete your Fiverr account permanently. So the very first thing you want to do is open up fiverr.com and make sure to log into the account that you want to delete. I'm already logged in here. Now, all you have to do here is just go ahead and click on your profile icon and then go to account settings. Once you head over to your account settings, you can find personal information, account security, and notification. So what you need to do here is go to personal information first, and then check if all of your personal information is here. Now, there is no way to completely delete the account, but if you deactivate your account from here, you don't log in to your account for a long time, it's automatically going to be deleted. So choose your reason. So let's just do other for now, and then click on deactivate account. It's going to completely deactivate your Fiverr account and it has been closed. So if you don't use or log into your account for 30 days or more, it's going to automatically be deleted. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.